Klover users looking for faster ways to access money are usually searching for apps that combine simple tasks, rewards, and quick cash-out options in one place. By the end, you'll know what types of apps are similar to Klover, what features to compare before signing up, and how to avoid wasting time on apps that do not match what you need. Klover is known as a financial app that helps users manage money, but some people also look for alternatives that focus more on earning rewards through games and activities. These apps work differently, so the fastest option depends on how you want to earn and how you prefer to receive rewards. The first thing to compare is how you earn. Some reward apps focus on playing games, while others use surveys, offers, or completing specific tasks. Check the earning method before creating an account, because an app that looks similar may work completely differently. The second thing to check is the withdrawal process. Look for apps that clearly explain their cash-out requirements, available payment methods, and any limits connected to withdrawals. A simple earning system does not help if the redemption process is confusing. The third thing to compare is reliability. Read recent user reviews and check whether people are reporting problems with account verification, missing rewards, or delayed payments. Consistent feedback matters more than a high rating alone. When comparing games and reward apps like Klover, focus on 5 areas. How you earn rewards, how quickly you can access them, what payment options are available, whether the app has clear rules, and whether the experience matches your expectations. Avoid choosing an app only because it promises fast rewards. Check the requirements first, because some platforms may require you to complete certain steps before you can redeem anything. If you already use Klover, compare alternatives based on the problem you are trying to solve. If you want gaming rewards, choose apps built around gameplay. If you want financial tools, look for apps focused on money management features. The best choice is the one that fits your goal instead of the one with the biggest promises. Check the app details, understand the rules, and start with the option that matches how you actually want to use it. To summarize, compare earning methods, withdrawal rules, and user feedback before choosing a Klover alternative. Your next step is to review the apps you are considering and check their requirements before signing up. If this helped you find better options, subscribe for more app comparisons, fixes, and money-saving guides.